voice the world must hear. Through the years of silent struggle, I've conquered every fear. I didn't build this empire for a few to see my name. I built it to be a beacon that sets the world aflame. Crossing every ocean, across every line and zone, my influence is rising from a seed that I have sown. No borders in the language, no limits to the dream. When my voice begins to echo, it's the power of the stream. This is the echo of power, the song of the master of the flow. Watch the influence spreading everywhere the winds can blow. From the east to the west, my blueprint is the law, the greatest story of a victory that the planet ever saw. Congratulations on the rhythm of the force that's here to stay. The echo of power is changing the world today. Hear me rise, hear me rise. Look upon the vast horizon, built by discipline and soul. To the ordinary it's a mountain, but to me it's under my control. I am not just in existence, I'm the faith that leads the brave, moving through the darkness like a giant golden wave, borderless and timeless is the victory I claim. My voice is the storm, my vision is the law. The whole world is listening to the master they never saw. Everywhere. This is the echo of power, the song of the master of the flow. Watch the influence spreading everywhere the winds can blow. From the east to the west, my blueprint is the law, the greatest story of a victory that the planet ever saw. Listen to my voice and follow the path of the supreme.